Hey friends, it's Kelly and welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you're new here, welcome. So today I wanted to share a recipe with you that I found over at Healthy Fitness Meals. It's called asparagus stuffed chicken breast, and I thought it looked delicious, so I wanted to try it. This is my first time making it, so I'm not quite sure how it's going to turn out, but I thought I'd bring you along with me and we'll check it out together. So the first thing that we're going to need is some chicken breasts. We're going to need some mozzarella cheese. I'm using the fresh mozzarella, but I'm sure the regular round mozzarella cheese will work. We're going to need some asparagus, sun-dried tomatoes, garlic powder, smoked paprika, sea salt and pepper, and some Italian seasoning. And that is it, my friends. My oven is pre-lit already. I turned that on. All right, so let's turn this camera down and get started. All right, my friends, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to get this. My chicken is kind of thin, so I'm gonna do my best to getting that sliced without cutting myself. Get that sliced. I'm going very slow. And we'll open it up just like that. There we go. Perfect. Now let's see if we can do this one. Probably smarter if I put it down. Open the rest of it up like that. There we go. And I'm sure you could probably pound these thin as well, and then do it that way. That's probably the way I should have done it. Alrighty, let me go ahead and wash my hands and my knife real quick before we move on. Hands are washed. I'm going to put my chicken to the side just for a second and get out my sun-dried tomatoes. I'm struggling. All right. I'm going to go ahead and just slice these a little bit just because I prefer thinner slices. Like that. I love the smell of sun-dried tomatoes. Okay, I'll put those off to the side like that. Now, let's bring our chicken back. And I'm going to go ahead and just season my chicken. I'm gonna first do the back side. Let's flip that over, that. And go ahead and season these up real quick. All right, my friends, now I'm going to go ahead and take my mozzarella cheese. I love this fresh mozzarella cheese. I'm going to go into the middle of it just because the slices are a little bit bigger there. Okay. I'm going to put down 2 slices on each piece. There we go. Just like to flatten it a little bit. I'm gonna add my sun-dried tomatoes. I'm gonna go ahead and take 2 of my asparagus. All right, we're gonna go ahead and fold that in. I'm gonna take toothpick, just kind of hold that together there. And with this one, like that. And we're gonna go ahead and do the same for this one. Alrighty, let's go ahead and throw this in the oven for about, we'll check it at about 15 minutes and see where we're at. Alright, my friends, it is done. I did put this back in the oven for an additional 5 minutes. It should be good to go now. Oh yeah, that looks good. Look at that. Oh, look. Alright. Put this down to cool and give it a taste test. It does look delicious. Look at that. Yum! I can't wait to try it. We gotta get those toothpicks out though. There we go. Smells really good. Smells good. Let's go ahead and give it a taste test. All right. Let's cut into that and see what it looks like. Ooh, looks delicious. Delicious. Let's see if I can give you a close-up of that. Oh. You can really smell it now once you cut into it. Look at that. All right, we are going to try this. I have a feeling it's going to be good because it certainly smells delicious. You saw how easy it was to do as well. I'm going to get a little bit of everything on my fork. A little bit of cheese, a little bit of chicken, sun-dried tomato, asparagus. All right, my friends, here goes. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I'm totally shocked at the flavors. Oh my goodness. I was expecting something totally different. Very, very juicy. Wow. Wow. Very, very shocked. I was expecting something totally different than what I'm getting. It's really, really good. Really good. I really like this, friends. I really, really like this a lot. I'm totally shocked. I don't know what it was. I was expecting it to have, I was expecting to really taste the sun-dried tomatoes, but they're very subtle. The Italian seasoning is what I'm really tasting, but the juiciness in this and all, it's a really, really good combination. I really, really like this a lot, a lot. So friends, you must go over and check out Healthy Fitness Meals for this recipe. I'm telling you, absolutely delicious. She knocked it out of the ballpark. Really, really liked it a lot. I will link her website in the description box so you guys can just click right on it and it'll take you right to the recipe. So friends, thank you so much for joining me. I really do appreciate it. if you could do me a huge favor and please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and please, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider subscribing, because all the subscriptions, the thumbs ups, the likes, the comments, all of that really helps my channel out. So I would greatly appreciate it if you could help me out. And also don't forget to go follow me over on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter. I'm very active over on those social media sites as well. So friends, thanks so much for joining me. And again, friends, don't forget to go over and check out Healthy Fitness Meals. Thanks again, and I'll see you next time. Bye.